Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to understand inheritance in the Java. Okay, so let's start it. So, inheritance is the mechanism, okay, or you can say a process. The topic is what? Inheritance in Java. Okay, you can simply call it inheritance. The definition is like inheritance is a mechanism, okay, is a mechanism or process using which one class can access the properties of another class. Okay, simple. In Java, okay, we can also call it we can also call it as is a relationship. Okay, is a relationship. Now just imagine you have one class called parent, right? You are the programmer. Today you wrote one program in the Java. Okay, let's give name as parent dot java, right? This is your program. Tomorrow if any other programmer join in your team, okay, and if he want to use the feature of your class also, right? In that case what he can do, he can write other class. Okay, other class. Let's give the name to this class as what? Child dot java. Okay, child dot java. This is my file now, or you can select that rather than file we will go for class. Okay, child class. This is what our parent dot class. Parent class and child class. Now tomorrow if any other programmer join to company, he may want to write some new code. Okay, but in that he want to use some of the feature of your class also, right? Or he want to use the features of your class. So there what he will do is that he can extend your class. Okay, okay, child extends parent. So this is nothing but the inheritance. Okay, extends. Inheritance is the process where one class can extend the properties of the other class. Okay, and inside this we have to use the extends keyword. So firstly let's understand this practically. Okay, and one more thing is that, as you know, if you don't know, please make a note of this note. Okay, please remember this. In Java, okay, in Java by default, by default object class is the parent of all the classes. This is one thing. Okay, I am just highlighting in the red color. Control B. In Java by default object class is the parent of all the classes. Okay, I will prove this one today. So now we will implement one inheritance program. Okay, and I will prove that in Java by default object class is the parent of all the classes. file, close all. Here I will create one new package, okay, com.sv.inheritance, inheritance, okay, com.sv.inheritance. In this package I will create one class called parent, okay, and one class called main, okay, public static void main string array of args, main class. First thing which I want to prove is that in Java, okay, in Java by default object class is the parent of all the classes. So in my Eclipse I have already configured JDK 19, okay. Let Control Shift H, object, okay, fine. Please press Control Shift H on the keyboard, okay, Control Shift H, then type here object. So go to java.lang, okay, this one, JDK 19, open that. Fine, we got it. See, this is the object class, okay, object.class, and this class is available inside our JDK library, okay, inside the JDK software, okay. Now my statement was in Java by default object class is the parent of all the classes, okay. Why I am saying that? Let's do one thing. In the parent class, let's create one method, public void parent method, okay, sys out control space method of parent class, control S, okay. I have saved this. Now inside our main class, let's create the object of the parent p1 is equal to new parent, okay, parent p1 is equal to new parent, control S. Now see, using the object we can call the method of the parent class, right? Inside the parent class we have only one method, which is that parent method, right? So p1 dot parent method, if I type p here, see, I got it, right, parent method, p, parent method, control S, and run as Java application. We got the message as method of the parent class, but here when you are checking p1 dot, it is showing you different methods like equals, get class, hash code, notify all, parent method, toString, parent is from parent class, okay, then toString, wait. So from where all these methods are coming, okay, why it is giving suggestions? In my parent class I am having only one method, right, parent method, but when I just type dot here, it's giving me the reference of other method also. So all these methods are getting inherited from the object class. Now let's go to the object class. This is the object class. This class is provided as the part of the JDK library, okay. So control F, notify, enter, close. See, we got it, right, notify. So now I proved that in this p1 dot, if you check, we got notify and notify all. So these methods are coming from object class, okay. So one statement which I proved is that in Java by default object class is the parent of all the classes. Okay, so from the object class, this parent class is getting the methods. Okay, those methods we can access using the object of the parent class. See, get class hash code. This hash code also coming from the object class only. Okay, this one, control S. Okay, fine. So inheritance is the process or mechanism using which one class can access the property of the another class. Okay, now internally what happening, internally, okay, this code is not visible to us. Internally it is using this one, extends object. Okay, object, control S. Internally, okay, what this parent class is doing is that it is extending the object class. So whatever class you are going to write in future, every class internally will extend from the object. Okay, control S. Even though you will not write here, internally it will extend the object class only. Okay, now let's understand types of inheritance. Types of inheritance. Okay, types. First is what? Single level, one class, one child, one parent. Second is multi-level. Okay, and third is the hierarchical. Okay, inheritance. Okay, now what is single level? In the single level inheritance, okay, there will be only one parent and one child. One parent, one child. Child will extend the parent class. Parent and one child. Then in case of multi-level, this is for multi-level. Here in the multi-level, what will happen is that one class will extend from other. Okay, so here let's take class as the A as the parent, A class as the parent. Okay, class B extends from A. This is the class B. Okay, extends from A, and class C extends from B. Class C extends from the B. Okay, so we have seen two, right? One is the single level, this is the single level. Okay, then second number is what? Multi-level, and third one is hierarchical. In hierarchical, what will happen is that one parent will be there. Okay, one parent will be there. Let's take example of the vehicle, or let's take example of the bike. Okay, one parent will be there, and one parent can have multiple childs. Like one bike will be Royal Enfield, other bike will be KTM, right? Like that. One is what? Royal Enfield, other one is what? KTM. So Royal Enfield and KTM are what? Are the childs of the bike class. they will be having their own property. Apart from that, they will extend some common properties of the bike also. Alright, so these are three type of the inheritance. Okay, single level, multi-level, and hierarchical. Now let's understand practically. File, close all editors. I will create new package here, new package. Let's understand single. Okay, in the single, what is there? One parent, one child. Class parent. Okay, class parent and class child, new class child. And let's write one class as the new class as the main. Okay, class main class. Main class will contain the main method. Public static void main string array of args. Child, class child extends what? Extends parent, control S. Okay, now in the parent class, public class parent, let's write one method, public void display msg. Okay, display msg. Sys out, control space, enter. Parent class method. Okay, parent class method. Now child, public void display child info. Sys out, control space, enter. Then in the double quote, write message as the child class method, control S. Okay, what we have done, we have created one class as the parent, public class parent. In that I wrote one method, public void display message. In that method we are just printing one statement using system.out.println. Then I wrote one other class called child extending the parent. Okay, and in the child class I'm having the method called display child info. Okay, see, as in the paint, now we are seeing the practical implementation of single level. Okay, single level, this one, single level. In the single level inheritance, what will be there? One parent will be there. One parent will be having only one child. Okay, now our parent is here, parent, and class child extends the parent, right? So this is what single level inheritance. Now if I create the object of the child class here, child c1 is equal to new child, right? So as I told you, inheritance is the mechanism, okay, using which one class can access the properties of the other class. So here, using this object of the child class, okay, I can access the child info. First thing, run as Java application child class method, right? In the child class, one method is there, child class method, display child info. This child info method I am able to access here. Apart from that, just because we are using extends keyword here, okay, and we are extending the parent class, right? So in the parent class we have the method called display message. So we can call that c1 dot display message also here. See, in the child class object, using child class object we can access both method, right? One method is from child class and other from the parent class. Control S, run as Java application. So guys, this is what single inheritance, okay, single level inheritance. So in the next session we will see multi-level inheritance. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, take care and bye bye.